Hi, I'm Jigsaw. I'm here to share some good news. From the tips of your hair to the toes in your shoes, your body is moving. It never stops going. Right now, your heart's beating. Right now, your blood's flowing. You may be just sitting and reading a book, but your body is busy. Come on, take a look. Imagine each time you walk down a street, you could look right inside of the people you meet. You could see hearts pumping blood. You could see brains busy thinking, lungs breathing, bones moving, and eyes always blinking. There is one easy way you can see what I mean. Take a ride in my inside your outside machine. Every ticket is free, and before we are through, you will see inside me and inside of you too. Let's start at the top with your brain. It is key. It controls all you do, helps you laugh, learn, and see. It makes your legs move when you run, jump, or walk. It makes your face move when you blink, smile, and talk. It sends information to all parts of you and does millions of things no computer can do. Your brain never stops. It goes all day and night. Your brain has two sides. One is left, one is right.